Hi there, welcome to the second video of our digital content creation course. My name is Peter Pred and I'll be also with you for today's video. So in the last one, we had a look at the introduction to digital content. We gave you a general overview and explained why digital content is so important. Then today we'll help you to better understand your audience. We'll start by explaining you how you can identify your target audience, and then we'll also help you to perform an analysis of your audience needs. Then for the next video, we'll help you to understand how you can plan your content and create it. For now, I think the best way to start would be to give you the definition of target audience. So basically, a target audience is the group of people you want to reach with your content. These people, they might share similar interests. They might be in the same age group, or they might live in the same place. It can be in the same city or in the same country. And why is this so important to identify your target audience? So this is important because it helps creators like you to produce content that people find enjoyable and relevant. And this also allows creators then to manage their time and efforts more efficiently to create better content for their audience. Now, what are some of the target audience factors? So here you can segment your audience using a demographic segmentation. So here you have the factors such as age, gender, location. If you can segment people that live in the same city or in the same country. Education as well, people that completed high school, middle school, or they went to higher education. And then we also have occupation, so you can segment your audience also in different occupations and different jobs that they have. And then we recommend you to use here Google Analytics. Is a very useful tool to perform demographic segmentation. Then for psychographic segmentation, we have these three factors: audience interests, values, and lifestyle. This one is also very important to understand which kind of which kind of people can be relevant for your content. Then we have the behavioral segmentation. Here we have factors such as browsing habits, purchase history, and content preferences. They give us a lot of information about the people that are watching our content. And for this one, it's also very important to understand which kind of people are watching our content. So then for the analyzing audience needs, it's very important then to understand what the needs of our audience and challenges. For that, there are many tools that you can use. The most famous ones are Q&As. These are very important for get some honest feedback from your audience. We also recommend you to create direct feedback channels and always encourage your audience to be very honest when they are performing this feedback so that you can improve your content and create content that suits better the audience that you want to target. And also to encourage people to comment a lot on your posts. It can be videos, images, and so on in different social media so that you can perform a thoroughly analysis to all these comments and to then improve your content. And then there is also the engagement analysis. This is also a very important one. And basically here we have looked at the metrics to understand which kind of content works better for your audience. You can use metrics like views, shares, or time spent on the web page. These are some of the metrics that are the most important here. And then we'll have a look at also the importance to adapting to trends. This is a very, very, very important factor here. It's very important to use Google Trends and also social media metrics analysis then to understand what are the trends so that you are always staying updated with the new trends and the evolution of the interest of your audience. This is extremely important to keep your content very engageful and to keep your audience always stick to your content. Then there is also the feedback loops. We also encourage you to perform several different types of feedback loops, such as surveys. Here it's important to create short and fun surveys, so you ensure that there are many people that will fill them out. And then it's also important to have social media polls. This will also help you to get some important feedback. And as I said before, to also encourage people to comment a lot on your posts so that you can have a lot of data to then analyze and to improve your content. So basically, this was everything for today's video. We covered a lot of different topics today. We started to give you the definition of target audience. Then we also explained you how you can identify your target audience. We explained you also the different segmentations you can use to target for your target audience. It can be demographic, psychographic, and behavioral segmentation. And then we also explain you how you can perform an analysis of your audience needs. We explain the importance of having and of doing an engagement analysis to adapt to trends, always stay updated with the new trends, and also the importance of creating several different types of feedback loops. For this class, we are going to have a look at content planning and creation, and that was it for today. If you have any questions about today's video, don't hesitate to ask us questions, and I see you for the next video.